How to add your own music, sound to TikTok videos. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Korea Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your TikTok. Click on the plus sign at the bottom. And the easiest method is to play the audio out loud while recording. So hold down this button and play your audio. Once you do that, click on the tick mark and then post as you usually would. So this method won't allow you to get the best sound quality. So the next method is to use a video editing app such as CapCut. So go ahead and open your video editing app. Click on New Project. Select the video that you want to add your music to and click on Add at the bottom. So you'll see audio at the bottom. Click on Audio, click on Sounds, and then click on the folder icon, and then click on From Device. So click on the plus sign of the audio that you want to add to your video. To do this, your audio must be saved to your device already. So click on plus. So you can adjust the sound up to where you want it. So you can drag it up to which part you want it. And then you can click on this arrow to export it and then upload it on TikTok. Now note that you can't use this to add copyrighted music. So this is how to add your own music or sound to TikTok videos. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.